The students of the department are sitting in the MSc lecture hall, and few of them, they are also here in the department, and they have joined with their own. Geology. Patna University was established in the year 1946. और हम लोगों ने एक लंबी दूरी तय की है, 75 वर्ष, स्वर्णिम 75 वर्ष, और हम सभी प्लैटिनम जुबली सेलिब्रेशंस पिछले साल अगस्त महीने से हम लोगों ने शुरुआत की है। उसमें कई तरह के कार्यक्रम हम लोगों ने आयोजित करने का निर्णय लिया है, और उस क्रम में कोविड को ध्यान में रखते हुए फिलहाल तो हम लोगों ने एक जो मंथली लेक्चर सीरीज है प्लैटिनम जुबली के अंतर्गत, वो हम आयोजित कर रहे हैं बहुत ही सफलतापूर्वक। हमारे विभाग के पूर्ववर्ती छात्र जो विशेष हम लोगों का सहयोग कर रहे हैं, whether they are from Coal India Limited or Geological Survey of India or from the academics, जैसे प्रोफेसर राजीव सिन्हा IIT कानपुर, or many of the renowned geologists serving the national institutes and organizations related to geology in our country. Today, all of us, we know that we are also celebrating National Science Day. और आप सबों को मालूम है कि 1928 में भारत रत्न सर CV रमन ने आज ही के दिन जो रमन स्कैटरिंग की जो फिनोमिनन है उसका उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया, और उनके इस महत्वपूर्ण योगदान के लिए हम सभी विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में जो हमारे देश की प्रगति हुई है उस संदर्भ में जनमानस के प्रति वैज्ञानिक चेतना जागृत करने के लिए एवरी ईयर वी ऑर्गेनाइज नेशनल साइंस डे। तो दोनों तरह से आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, that not only we are celebrating National Science Day, but also we are going to have a presentation by very, very senior and renowned geologist from our department, alumnus of our department. The students must know that today's honorable speaker, respected Shri B.N. Prasad ji, obtained his master's degree in geology from our department in the year 1974. After passing out from the department, he joined Coal India Limited, and I have a small CV of Shri B.N. Prasad ji. For the benefit of the students and for the benefit of myself, I am just going to read it out for you all. Shri B.N. Prasad is a postgraduate in geology from Patna University, session 1972-74, having a brilliant academic career. Shri B.N. Prasad joined Coal India Limited in January 1978 at Central Mines and Planning Development Institute, CMPDI Dhanbad, and had shouldered several important responsibilities in CMPDI Dhanbad, NCL and CBM department of CMPDI till his superannuation in January 2014. He was a full-time advisor of CBM, that is Coal Bed Methane, of Central Mine Planning Development Design Institute, till 2016. Shri B.N. Prasad has major contribution towards the development of coal-based non-conventional energy resources like CBM, CMM, UCG, shale gas, etc. And the department is now well established at national and international level. Shri Prasad headed the office of the India CBM, established in November 2008, and US EPA and Ministry of Coal initiative for the commercial development of CMM projects in India and had worked in close cooperation with US EPA through Global Methane Initiative. He had steered the mission to bring opportunities existing in CMM, CBM, and VAM. These are some of the terminologies which I would request Shri B.N. Prasad to elaborate for the benefit of the students as well. Shri B.N. Prasad also coordinated and implemented many of the research and development, science and technology projects with national and international co-ARI, ARI USA, and including a multi-organization European Research Commission funded collaborative project wherein 11 organizations have participated. Shri Prasad had authored several papers which were published in proceedings of seminars, conferences at national and international levels and international journals. He is recipient of several awards which include Indira Gandhi Rajbhasha Puraskar under Maulik Lekhan category for a technical book in Hindi on coal bed methane. The award was given by Honorable President of India in September 2013. He is the recipient of Individual Excellence and Outstanding Contribution Award in November 2013 for the contribution made during 2012 and 13 in Coal India Limited, and an award for excellence in research and development. Dr. J. Coggin Brown Memorial Award, that is gold medal of MGMI in September 2014 for outstanding contribution made in geological sciences during 2013-14. We are very proud that under the alumnus of the Department of Geology, that is Shri B.N. Prasad ji, the CBM department was awarded Best Department for accomplishment of outside consultancy job twice. CBM Lab was also awarded Best Lab. So this is a wonderful and very, very encouraging CV of Shri B.N. Prasad ji, our alumnus, very, very distinguished alumnus, who has accepted our kind invitation to deliver the monthly lecture series for the month of February 2022. On behalf of the department, on behalf of the students and faculty members, I once again welcome many of the alumnus who have joined.
So, Umarji, let us go for the second slide. This is what I was telling was the presentation outline, which I'm going to present will be global warming, a challenge, a real challenge. Coal utilization, a concern for environment. Coal, a source of clean energy. Implementation of clean coal technology, which will include coal bed methane, coal mine methane, ventilation air methane, and unwound coal gasification. And cell gas, which is now called a game changer in the energy supply scenario. HOD साहब ने कहा कि ये सब जो terms है, which may be or may not be conversant to many of the young students particularly, I'll be explaining. So next, please. So now coming to the global warming, we all know it's a real challenge. It's in fact a rise of temperature of the earth and its related effects. We know that the effects of rise of temperature is very much, we have read about it. It is a real threat, and we consider that it has to be stopped. Human-related activities has contributed much in aggravating the situation of global warming. But now, we are now wise enough, we are considering that this must be stopped or contained. And there are several protocols like Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, etc. are in place. Steps are being taken to contain the anthropogenic generation of greenhouse gases. Anthropogenic means the activities which are related to human beings. Coal is a major environmental challenge, utilization of coal, I mean to say, and we are dealing with clean coal technology so that the making uses of coal more environment friendly. Next, please. Global warming is resulted due to extreme greed of human beings. Post industrial revolution, we have started utilizing a lot of machines, a lot of energy is required, and we have we can see that the over 4 lakh years, if the scientific backdate calculation is concerned, the CO2 concentration by volume in the air was hovering between 180 to 280 part per million. And now it stands in 220 at 412 part per million. Consider. Next, please. Next, please. What is a greenhouse gas? It's a gas in the atmosphere that absorbs and emits radiations within the thermal infrared. The primary greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, and ozone. But they are very much required. Had they not been there, the average Earth temperature would have been around minus 18 degrees Celsius rather than the present average of 15. As I told you, I explained that human activities in the beginning of the Industrial Revolution has contributed a lot in increasing the carbon dioxide in the increasing the atmospheric concentration of carbon dioxide, and it is a real challenge. Next, please. Next, please. I'm going to deliberate on the India's energy scenario. Coal is a very important energy resource in the country. It contributes to about 53% in the total.